everyone. I am Jyoti Tiwari from Kaivalyadham Yoga Institute in Lonavala. Today's my topic is yoga poses for better mental health. Let's move to the asana practice. How to sit in Padmasana posture. Let's see. So please stretch your legs forward, taking little distance between both the legs. And then very slowly bend your right leg first, rest your right heel on left thigh and left heel on right. So be careful those if you have knee pain, so please don't sit in this position. So from the Padmasana, you need to move towards the Parvatasana posture. So palm side of the body and very gently, smoothly you are reaching your both the arms to the side and very slowly reaching to the ceiling. Ideally, we have to join your palms together, but if someone are not able to touching palms together, you can keep your arms in the shoulder line, doesn't matter, but make sure don't hike your shoulders, don't jam your chin to the chest, make sure your gaze in eye level and release this posture, neck and shoulder area. So I'm going to touch my palms together. Ideally, you have to maintain this posture at least 1 to 2 minutes, those who are having too much neck pain or stretch. In this position, we are reaching our arms in opposite the gravity, so it's giving natural attraction to the whole spine as well as is extending our rib cage. So intercostal muscles are opening here, which is very beneficial to improving our breathing capacity, lungs capacity. And very smoothly come back in reverse order same way. And please release. Let us move to the next practice is Brahma Mudra. So your hands in a Gyan Mudra resting on the knees, keeping back straight, make sure your body weight on top of your sit bone, open the chest, shoulders slightly back. Now gently close your eyes and very slowly turn your face towards the right side. Ideally your chin should be parallel to the shoulder, but doesn't matter if you have stiffness in the neck. Very smoothly coming back. And to the left side. Ideally, we have to spend at least 10 to 12 seconds to turn the neck towards each direction, maintain for a few seconds and then return with the same way. Now up to the ceiling. Keeping jaws together if possible here. Still your spine straight and you are relaxing your neck back. Coming back to center and going downward, but make sure those who are having cervical problem or neck pain, please do not bend forward. Coming back to center, we are adding 2 more movements for neck relief here. So please bending neck to the right, but still your left shoulder should be stable, guys. And to the left. Nothing changes in your body, only neck is moving and you need to feel the rotation, feel the stretch. Now moving to the next is a Bhramari Pranayam, which is very beneficial. Especially this pranayam is very effective for them, those who are having neuro disorder problem or any kind of stress, depression, anxiety, sleeplessness. Now this is the Bhramari Pranayam in which we have to take a breathing with both the nostril and breathe out through both the nostril. So inhalation should be deeply, and while exhale you need to do exhale with humming honeybee sound and maintaining same pitch till end of the breath. So like this, so please watch me first. I'm taking deep inhale here. Thanks for watching.